Welcome to McPlum, simple solutions served daily.
You start by getting accounts and devices ready. Sign in as the parent on account. Microsoft. Then add the child account to your family group so permissions sync. Make sure Windows and Microsoft apps are updated. Updates often fix permission bugs, then reboot devices to apply changes. Once done, enable two-step verification to secure the parent account. This prevents accidental lockouts and explains why permissions propagate reliably. Now you're ready to change core family settings without delay. You now dive into Settings, open Family, Microsoft, or Settings accounts on Windows, then pick the child profile and adjust screen time, set daily limits and allowed hours per device. Next, configure content filters for apps, games, and web. These restrict inappropriate content based on age and explain why some apps disappear when blocked. Turn on activity reporting so you see usage logs, and enable purchase approvals to prevent unexpected charges. Make changes and allow a few minutes to sync across devices. Finish by verifying changes on the child's device. Sign out, then sign back in, and restart the device to force syncing. This resolves most delays. If problems persist, remove the child from your family group and re-add them. This resets misapplied permissions. If you still see errors, gather screenshots, exact error codes, and the device model, then contact Microsoft support. One key troubleshooting tip: clear stored credentials and force a sync in settings, because stale tokens often block new rules from applying.
Thanks for watching. Stay juicy and subscribe.